Hello guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare Nigeria Limited. If today is your first time coming here, we say very welcome to you. Absolutely welcome, absolutely. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit on the notification button to enable you see more of our video whenever we upload the video. Guess what? Enough for hyperpigmentation, wrong mixing, and the premixing is not working. Enough of all that. Ta-da. Ta-da. Okay, and a quick one, hear me? For those of us who will be buying base cream or making base cream, organic base cream, and all that, I bring to you egg yolk whitening base cream. Egg yolk whitening base cream. This base cream is made of egg yolk. All right. Yes, it's for Philippines. Yes, like I told you, we'll be working on a lot of big projects. So this one is for Philippines. It's a whitening base cream. You don't need to go use organic base cream. It's organic itself. It's a premix itself, and it's a whitening. It's made of egg yolk. Are you getting it? Yes, skin disease free. It's whitening already. It's for Philippines, that the way it is, and it's only found in Austin Global. You can use this to premix your cream. For those of us who be premixing, this I have it in a large quantity. I have it in a large quantity. This is egg yolk whitening base cream. To God Almighty, if you just put only oil, some few, or for those of us, if you just put only some few oils, boom, you've got your color, your shade you need it. And if you know how to tweak it, how to put powders, because for us we'll be using powders. Now let me tell you the good thing about it. You don't need to put stretch mark additive. You don't need to put pimples additive. You can use it to promise a cream for your face. You can use it to promise a cream for the body. This is original egg yolk base cream. Are you getting it? In 1 kg we have it. In 5 kg we have it. Let me tell you, it's just like you all know egg yolk cream. You all know sometimes some people even like they don't even promise it. It's just like egg yolk cream. It's already like it's a cream. It's a base cream that you can even use it that way. Are you getting it? Look at it. You can use it that way. You can use it that way. But if you want to use it, if you use it to premix, like you don't need to mix much to it. Dissolve your powders very well, like use your plate to dissolve your powders, all the powders you have very well, and you put inside it, and then you put your oils, you put your serum, you put all you want to put, just to make sure this base cream is perfect. It don't need to give you some colors you don't understand, because they have already treated it. It's a whitening. Are you getting it? It's not going to give you any story. Some people even use it that way, because some people who knows about it, they will say, I just want to use to get one shade. It's egg yolk base cream. It's a cream already on this that is being made. Are you getting it? So this base cream is a perfect one. You can use it to premix. You can use it to even make your scrub. You can use it to make your scrub. Put all the additives into it accurately the way you have it. That's all. Or you don't know they use base cream to make scrub also. Go check Ashanti scrub and some other scrub. They use base cream on them. Alright, so that is by the way. So for this base cream, it's been treated already, and I'm going to show you another oil. So it's been treated already, that way you can use it, you just use it. It's egg yolk base cream, egg yolk whitening base cream. Okay, it does, if you use it to make a face cream, it's perfect. It doesn't give pimples, it doesn't give any rashes, not at all. It's been treated. This base cream is a base cream that I've been using for over some time now, and that is why, and I said no, let me show people something when it's sweet like this, tell them the good news. So egg yolk base cream is one of the base cream that you might decide to be using your own base cream. You might decide to be making your own base cream. Yes, you can make your own base cream and add to this one to make, it will not perfect your own base cream. Yes, it will not perfect your own base cream to make it unique, to make it perfect any error that you've done before in your own base cream. This base cream will not perfect because you've just moved. You can just put 500 ml of it and put 500 ml of your own to make whatever you want to make. Or you can take 1 kg of this one and put 1 kg of your own base cream that you make. But the truth is, this base cream is one in time. You shouldn't hesitate about it to get it. Oh, should I get it or not? No. That is it. Now, sometime now I'll be telling you about oils, concentrated oils, and all that. Let me show you the one they call Cinderella oil, and I will show you Caramela oil. I think the one of Cinderella oil is not here right now, but I will show you the one of Caramel. This Caramel, a lot of people, they be using different oil for themselves. They be trying to looking for oil that you can use for your skin without mixing it to your lotion. So that is why I bring you this Caramela oil. You see, this is Caramela oil. This Caramela oil, what it does is this. You don't need to mix it with any cream. You don't need to mix it with any cream. All you have to do, just shake it together. Shake it together. When you shake it, because, oh, come on, I tell you, if you see good oil, you go no. All right? Because of the ingredient they use to make it, when you shake it together, all you just have to use morning and night. Use morning and night. Use morning and night. You will see your skin. I give you, it will lighten you and get you to the color you want. Just use it the way I said, morning, night. You will see result. You will see result. Trust me, Caramela oil is a treated oil. It's a treated oil that you can use for your skin. The pH level is moderated. Are you getting it? It doesn't hurt your skin. It doesn't give you any skin burnt. It doesn't give you any skin infection. It doesn't give you side infection. No, it does what it did said he do. You know, it will only lighten you. It will give you the color you need. When you get the color you need, then you can reduce it. Are you getting it? Rather, it will even treat your skin more. If you're having those dark elbows, dark knuckles, you can use it to rub it perfectly. Are you getting it? These are the oils that I believe I vouch for. If it doesn't work, I refund your money. Yes, a lot. That's what I do. If it doesn't work, I refund your money. No time. There's no hiding behind the chairs or the wheel and say things. I'm saying it publicly. Caramela oil has been in existence. It's only for us to we don't know it here. A lot of people don't know it here, and it's been made with. Let me check. Yes, let's say it's a treatment. It's a treatment oil for green vein. Wow, you hear now? Treatment oil for green vein. Treatment oil for stretch mark. Treatment oil for white patches. Treatment oil for dark spot. That is what it does. Caramela oil, and it's very, very perfect. All you need to do, give a try. I always tell you, whatever you hear about, give a try. Don't say, oh no, I'm not gonna try it. I don't know what it is. Give it a try. Are you getting it? Those ones you'll be buying, they destroy your skin. Why not give this a try to repair your skin? Caramela oil is the only oil, remedy oil for a bad skin that is being destroyed already. Caramela oil will bring your skin to life. So that is why I'm telling you guys, go get your Caramela oil. I know it's only found in Austin Global right now. That is, yes, it is what it is. It's only found on Austin Global. You can see our logo in it because we actually went to Philippines to do this. We go to Philippines to do this, to get this. So please, this is the new thing on board in check. So if you want it, you can ring me via the number on your screen. All right, Caramela oil, and once again, I make you understand about this egg yolk based cream. You don't need to miss out of all this product. These are the right product we've been looking for. Thank you.